Listen up, guys. I want to talk a little bit about FOMO, fear of missing out when it comes to the stock market now, especially with a couple of stocks out there that have been going crazy. I'm sure you guys have seen Nvidia stock has gone up, I think 300% to start the year. It was at $105, or even before the start of the year, it was at $100 or something like that. Now it's pushing $400 again. Stocks like Palantir, stocks like Google, stocks like, all of big tech. You name it, guys. The NASDAQ is up, I think, 20% over the course of the past month. So a lot of money's flooding into tech, big tech, AI stocks, artificial intelligence, right? That's the next hype right now. That's the next bubble, if you will. I think it will ultimately be a bubble, which I'm not saying AI is going to go away and not be a thing in the future, but I think it's overhyped right now in the short term. At least that's what I think. So don't FOMO into these stocks, guys. That's all I got to say. Be careful. There's going to be a pullback in Nvidia, in Palantir, in Google, in Apple, big tech in general. Trust me, it's going to come. And when you guys see it, you're going to be like, oh wait, Stas told me that, and you're not going to be surprised when it actually happens. So be careful, guys. That's all I got to say, because if you buy into the FOMO right now, you can seriously get hurt financially. Trust me, guys, I've bought into the FOMO in the past and I've lost money. Not saying you will lose money for sure. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, but all I'm saying is be cautious in this environment.